How to update Reddit on iPhone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can actually update Reddit application on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to update the Reddit app on your iPhone, now sometimes you could be having some type of issues and bugs with the Reddit application, and you might just want to update it, or maybe you are being left out on a specific feature and you might just want to update it again. To do this and to get started, all you have to do is just open up your respective app store. Once you launch your app store, in the search box you just want to go ahead and then actually type in Reddit. Once you type in Reddit on the list, just go ahead and open the app page of the Reddit application inside of the app store. Now in case you see an update button over there, it definitely means that the Reddit app requires an update and you need to update it to the latest version. But if it says open, then it means that your Reddit app is already updated to the latest version, and there's really nothing that you should be worried about of any type of updating because it's already updated. Now again, I repeat, if it says update, then make sure to update it, but if it says open, it means it's updated, so I don't need to do anything basically. But to give you an idea, this is simply it on how you can update the Reddit app on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.